You may think now, why using Kotlin when there's Java? Why should I focus on this language when it's not as used as Java? Well, it's simple, it depends on your taste. The problem with new team members is that most of them will have no experience at all. While it is easier to teach them 3D design, basic mechanics or anything else, programming will be the most difficult task to master as a newcomer. For our team, using Java was a total disaster. The syntax was the scariest thing of them all. That's why we switched to Kotlin, having a nicer way of doing things and some advantages over Java. For example, this is a basic copy mode made in Java. We have two motors, one of them being made inside the function. As simple as that. Switching over to Kotlin, there are not too many differences. One thing to keep in mind is that every object variable defined inside a class that has not been initialized yet must have the lateinit keyword after it. Heck, we don't even have to specify the type of the data we want to store if we give the value right away. One neat thing is that getters and setters can be used as properties instead of functions. Neat, huh? Let's not mention the fact that you can use Kotlin classes inside Java, and vice versa. Leaving the pros behind, there are some disadvantages to this approach, one of them being that there are not too many resources on Kotlin being made, for FTC of course. Not only this, but even if you try to create an OpenCV pipeline using Kotlin, the easy OpenCV simulator won't be able to recognize Kotlin files just yet. However, the things that are made in Java will work in Kotlin too, the difference being just the syntax. That being said, let's see how to make our project support Kotlin out of the box. First of all, we'll have to edit our root build.gradle file in order to add Kotlin as a dependency. Inside the build script, let's create a global variable in order to specify the version we are going to use. Then, let's add Kotlin as a dependency. Last but not least, we will have to mention inside our module that we are going to use Kotlin. If you have your code inside the team code module, edit the build.gradle file inside it and apply the plugin inside the file. That's it. Kotlin is now supported in your project. Have fun!